Hey, this is JR with your review on the latest tech. Now, I've been hearing particularly on this tech for quite some time now. Every time I go into the internet, this pops up and it says it's one of the best, it's good to hear, the music quality is awesome and everything. But then I thought, let me go for it. Now, when I was seriously going in through the internet for this particular product, there are so many brands who are actually selling it or manufacturing it. Apple, Liberton, Aukey, One More Stylish, Jabra, Samsung, many people, many. Now, the brand which I'm going to talk to you about is not mentioned in this. I'm going to tell it right now, and that is the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 2. This is the second generation of this earbuds, and that's what I'm going to talk to you about in this review. Another thing I would like to also express is that while this is actually a brand new product which got released back in April, it wasn't available in Saudi Arabia anytime soon. So I just looked over the internet and I saw that there was a specific company name by the name of Smart Audio Electronics Limited LLC, which is based in Dubai, and they had an online website. Luckily, this product was there. Well, you can't trust the internet 100%, but yeah, I gave it a shot and here it is. I got it, DHL, in 1 week. I was so happy. Now, let's open it up. Awesome. Okay, now as soon as we open it, yes, the basic dialogues, basic manuals, all that. Okay, now this is the box. Oh, look at that. Look at that pretty boy. Let's put that there. Okay, here we have the right earbud. And here we have the left earbud. Now, further going deep into the box, we do have the cable. I don't want to take it out right now. And we have the silicone ear cases. Again, let's see if I need it or not. Okay, let's just put this all aside. Great. Now, let's get into the box. The thing is that the first generation box actually had a lighter grayish color tinge, but with the same fabric finishing. And yes, as you are seeing over here, this is the USB-C port for charging, and there is an indicator showing the battery charge. Oh, lovely. There is some charge in it left. Right. Now, let's open it up. Okay. And let's put in the headphones. Right, that's for the left and this is for the right. Now the best part is the box is pretty strong, and when you open it you can feel that catch over there. Pretty strong magnets, pretty good. Now it's based inside. Does it go? Pretty firm. If you can see over there, there is a magnetic tip over there which actually holds this in pretty firmly, and it's very strong indeed. Now let's get into the specifications. These earbuds, okay, I give you a comparison on the first generation and the second generation. This is practically weighing, let's say, around 6 grams each, very light, and the case, let's say, around 38 grams, 50 grams. It's variable. Now, the earlier model, the first generation model, used to last for, let's say, hardly 4 hours. And the case had an extra charge of, let's say, 7 hours. So altogether you used to get a very low battery time. But a further improvement which is done in the second generation is that this holds around 7 hours of battery time. And with the casing, that's around 20, let's see, with 20 hours, 21 hours. So you get a total of 28 hours on this. It's fascinating. That is the battery life we need for today. Now, the pairing part is very easy. Once you strap in them into your ears, you just have to hold both of the tips, these ends, for just like 3 seconds, and then it'll go into a pairing mode. Now let's do the pairing mode. Great. I'm going to try this out. Now, just like what I showed you before, there are silicone tips where you can replace this with, so you can fit your ear canal properly. Let me try this on. Oh, how comfortable. Oh, okay. That was left. Let's switch it back on. Okay, now this is the right side. Oh, look at that. How smoothly it just goes in. You just put it in and twist it a bit, it stays firm. Now, let me go back into the mobile phone. I'm going to switch it on and go into the Bluetooth mode, and then let's pair it up. Just touch both the sides for 3 seconds. Excellent. You can hear the pairing exactly. You can hear an audio prompt pairing or a voice prompt, and then it appears in the list of devices. Click it and it immediately pairs. Now let's go. There is a custom-made application for this. That is the Smart Control, built by Sennheiser. Now let's download that. Okay. Yes, downloading. Excellent. Okay. Now, when we open this application, after finishing the download, when we open the application, there is the part, it shows the battery bar, showing that charge of the earpods. And then there is a function called transparent hearing. When you click the transparent hearing part and switch it on, the thing is that whatever you are hearing in the background or outside is actually being amplified and put back into your ear using the earbuds. Practically, you can hear yourself twice the volume at what you're speaking. Wow. Anyway, I don't like it. I'm going to switch it off. So practically, you're cut off from outside. So let me take it off for now. Oh, wow. That is super soft and very comfortable. I never felt any sort of discomfort wearing this. These buds are enabled with Bluetooth version 5.1. Now the best part about 5.1 is that it's more stable, and when you go at distances, it stays connected. It should be awesome. Your calls will not get disconnected. You'll listen to music at much more longer distances. It's absolutely wonderful. And it's aptX enabled. Wonderful feature. When you go into the features, you can see in the Bluetooth function, when you go inside, you can see a function called high fidelity audio, and that is actually activating the aptX. Wow, the crisp clarity, the high fidelity when you hear the music using aptX is amazing. You have to try it out. Well, a couple of features which these earbuds are having is it's IPX4. That means it's splash resistant, not perfectly water resistant, but splash resistant. So you put droplets of water or get splashed with water, it's perfectly fine. It'll keep going. Now, with regard to the battery life, everyone has to keep in mind, this is basically electronics. The battery has a life. Now, what I've heard from the reviews is that this can go up to 500 cycles, so use it wisely. Well, overall, thank you so much for having me and watching my video. Please do subscribe on my channel to hear more on this tech review. Thank you so much and enjoy these buds. These things are really awesome. Now with these earbuds, I'm going to use it. I'm going to listen to music. I'm going to answer calls and everything. I'm going to use it. And I'll come back to you in my next video with the review of these Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 2 earbuds. Thank you so much.